Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry for the absence, but the last month was not a good period for me. And today we're back again on the channel with the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Pro, and today I will give you the best Gcam updated to August 2020. So let's install the new Gcam and my own XML file that I've created for you on my Mi Note 10 Pro. Let's see. First of all, you have to go on Telegram and search for Lawrence Captors, or just click the link down in the description. I'll leave you the link of my Telegram channel, so subscribe because we are 1414, so keep in mind to subscribe to my channel so you can get updated with my channel. After clicking the link in the description, you are on my Telegram channel. So here there are the two files, the one of the Gcam and the one with my XML file. So I've just downloaded these two files, and first of all you have to install the Gcam, clicking here and install. So let's wait a second to install the Gcam. It may take some time, but you have just to wait here, scanning for virus, but that's not the problem. And then you open it, allow, only while using the app, allow, and this is the Gcam. To be sure that the app won't crash, just long press the app info, and then here clear all the data so the app won't crash. But let me know in the comments if the app will continue to crash, because you can write me a text message and I will try to help you. So subscribe on my Telegram channel and onto the discussion of my Telegram channel, so I will try to help you if you have any problem. But as you can see, we have no buttons to choose between the lenses we have on the Mi Note 10 Pro here. So you have to set my XML file. So go back on Telegram, just download the XML file, click on the 3 points here, just share it, click to copy to internal storage here, search for the folder Gcam here, and then click on configs 7 and just click onto paste here. Lawrence Capture already exists because I've already copied it, but you won't receive this message. After you copied the XML file, so my own XML file, you will see here Lawrence Captors XML for Burial 7 XML. This is my file of configuration of the Gcam. Then go back on the Gcam, double tap here on the black part of the Gcam, double tap, and this is the configuration where you can select my XML. So click here on the XML and just choose Lawrence Captors XML for Burial 7.xml, and then update. And as you can see here, there are 5 buttons with the macro lens, then with the ultra wide angle lens, with a 1x, with a 2x, and with the 3.7x. So as you can see, now you have enabled all the lenses, and I've set this configuration file so you can get the most true to life colors with your images. So guys, I really hope this video will help you to get the best images out of your Mi Note 10 or Mi Note 10 Pro. So just download this Gcam and my configuration XML file and let me know in the comments if you are satisfied or not with the image quality you can get out of this Gcam. So let me know if you like this video with a like, subscribe for more and to see other videos like this. Subscribe also into my Telegram channel. I'll leave you the link down in the description, and see you guys in the next one. So cheers.